Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the runtime error message at 434 semicolon 375 could not call wrong. So this error message typically occur when running or executing a program that hangs or crashes, displaying an error message. The could not call prompt part means the app or script can't execute a functions or procedure. Also due to a missing library or dependency. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So first solutions we will do is to run the installer in compatibility mode. Kung paano ba natin yan gawin? All you have to do is to select apps shortcut file on search menu. So dito sa search menu, click mo lang siya, and then dito sa search for apps, so kailangan lang natin mag-search dito na apps shortcut file. Okay, so for example, si Google Chrome, so type na natin yan, and then kailangan mo naman right click, and select mo lang dito yung open file location, and then dito sa open file locations, and then makikita mo kaagad dito yung lahat ng app shortcut file. So, ini naman dito pwede mong iselect, okay? So, once na-select mo na yung app shortcuts, kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and select mo lang dito yung properties, and then pop up itong kanyang Google Chrome properties. So, dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang select dito yung compatibility, so click mo lang siya, and then dito sa compatibility, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung run this program in compatibility mode 4. Okay? So, makikita mo dito yung compatibility mode. I-check mo lang tong box. And then next ay, kailangan mo lang click yung arrow na yan and select mo lang dito yung Windows 8. And then next step, dito sa settings, kailangan mo lang select dito yung run this program as an administrator. So, i-check mo lang yung box. And then click mo lang dito yung apply. And then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, and hope now na-resolve yung issue. And if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang ulit sa search menu, and then dito sa search for apps, so itype mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo na mag-right click, and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsym space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So copy lang natin yan, and then dito ay kailangan mo na mag right click dito sa taas, and select mo lang dito yung edit, and then select mo lang dito yung paste, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na control plus B, and click mo lang yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo kaagad dito na deployment, image, servicings, and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And makikita mo na dito na the operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type, ay type mo lang yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan, this process will take some time, beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And the next step, so close lang natin itong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix runtime error could not call proc in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.